Hi everybody, thank you for joining us again, and apologies for the clickbait thumbnail and title. Well, it's not really clickbait, but it kind of is, if that makes any sense. Anyhow, one of the places I like to take the dog for a walk has beautiful rivers, lakes. It's quite stunning at times, but because it's on the flight path over the town to our local aerodrome, it's a no-fly area, so you can't pop drones up. Some people do, but it's just not allowed. So I came up with what I think is a great idea, and it seemed to have worked. I stuck my 360 camera on the end of a 3-meter stick, stuffed it up in the air, ran it around a bit, and it kind of worked. It's something that I'm going to see if I can have another go at, improve it a little bit, and it could be a good alternative for when you want a higher up view, but you're not allowed to fly drones. As I say, it was just a dog walk and a quick proof of concept, but we'll see how it goes. It could be worth trying. Thanks. Bye.